How should third-party developers think about respecting the permissions, for example, as they're resident in Box?
It's interesting. This is going to be this evolving question of how much do you index information or re-index information that's already in the cloud and already in a SaaS system versus how much do we have agents that kind of talk to different systems and then by definition are respecting those permissions. So I'd say in general, that's an open and interesting question. There are some use cases where it's not logical for somebody to re-index 100 million files from Box into another system because of just the complexity, the computational complexity, and just even the bandwidth and the compute costs associated with that for re-indexing that information. And so in that architecture paradigm, you'd probably want an agent within Box you'd probably call an agent in Box and you say, hey, user Ethan is asking this particular question. Can you do a search based on Ethan's permissions and find the information that Ethan's looking for? And then that answer will then feed into a broader query across the set of queries. So that's the extreme end. And that's obviously the core imperative building in the enterprise is the trust around security and governance and controls. And so that's why obviously you're going to need platforms between these different technologies that do map the permissions, they do keep things in sync, and do ensure the data security and compliance in the process.